Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by cutting power and unplugging the monitor or device. This prevents shorts while you inspect. Check the cable ends and port pins for bent metal or dirt, because a poor connection often causes green or purple tinting. Once done, reconnect with a known good cable and power on to isolate whether the problem is cable, port, or display. Make sure to note any model numbers and recent changes to firmware or drivers before proceeding. Now you'll narrow the source. Swap to a verified working HDMI or DisplayPort cable and test a different output on your GPU or another device. If the tint moves with the cable or port, it's a cable/connector issue. If it remains, suspect the display or GPU. Update or clean install the display driver and update monitor firmware when available, because corrupted drivers can alter color mapping. Once drivers are stable, check color profiles and reset to factory settings. Finish by performing a factory reset on the monitor and running a color calibration. This often corrects shifted channels. If the problem persists, boot into safe mode or another operating system to determine whether software still affects color. If green or purple remains across systems, replace the suspect cable or try a different GPU/display. That isolates hardware faults. Troubleshooting tip: if colors fluctuate with physical pressure on the screen or cable, stop using it and seek hardware repair. Internal panel or connector damage is likely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.